Hello, friends. It's your go-to food enthusiast, Ria, reporting from my kitchen where quinoa meets couture and chickpeas have main character energy. Today, we're building Power Bowls, the meal prep version of having your life together. These bowls are packed with fiber, protein, and enough color to make a salad jealous. Let's start with the base. Quinoa, brown rice, or millet, basically, grains that sound like they journal. Now for the power players. Chickpeas that are roasted to golden, crispy perfection, black beans seasoned like they have a passport, and lentils that say, I went to culinary school in Paris, but didn't, obviously. Now for the veggies go wild. My absolute favorite part? Loading up with shredded carrots, moody purple cabbage, caramelized sweet potato, cucumbers sliced with obsessive love, and baby spinach. Because frankly, adult spinach is just a little too much drama. Drizzle time. Tahini lemon dressing or a punchy cilantro yogurt swirl, whichever one makes you feel like a goddess of gut health. Toppings. I recommend avocado slices, toasted seeds, maybe even a pickled onion if you're feeling fancy. Now stack them in meal prep containers like you're starring in a very niche cooking show. Not only are these bowls high in fiber, they're also high in I actually brought my lunch pride. Gut-friendly, stress-reducing, and they make you look like someone who owns a label maker. So prep it, stack it, and fuel up like the vibrant, veggie-powered person you are. Power Bowls? Powered up.